Okay, friends, in this video we are learning how to change photo background in Windows Paint. Okay, especially for passport size photos. Okay, I know this is 2024 and this way it is not best way, but we can do also in Windows Paint. Just open this photo in Windows Paint, select open with Paint. Then we have to delete this background first. So just zoom up your photo and click this free selection tool from here. Select, then select a free form selection. Okay, then select this one, and also remember that select one more pixel inside the picture. Okay, otherwise we can face some background color issues. So select like this and delete. Okay, okay, it is a little bit difficult, but we can do. Okay, also in this portion, select inside the hair and do some adjustment with your hand like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, okay, done. We are successfully delete the edges of this picture. Just zoom out. Use Control key and mouse for that. Here we are starting. That's it. So we have successfully removed this background, and now you can apply new colors. Just click this paint bucket tool, then select background color. Also you can save as white color. In some applications, some websites require white color background, so you can save it now just like this. Click here and choose save as, then you can save it, right? Okay, if you need all more colors like this, just click here and select your intensity background like this. Okay, click OK, then apply the color. Now we have successfully changed this color, and also you can look here, some portions of previous background color. So that I told you, you must select inside the picture, but we know that we are using this picture as like this in passport size, so it is okay. So in this way you can easily change your background color here. Okay, that's it guys, this is tutorial. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.